Okay, so this is a little screencast that walks you through how to place captions on a video in YouTube. And first thing you need is a YouTube account and some video. This is a short interview with my daughter, and here's a little bit of it. Hopefully you can hear some of this. Okay, what's your name? Where do you go to school, Eva? Indianola, what grade are you in? Okay, so very simple little piece of video. The next thing you'll need is a transcript, and here's a transcript of the entire minute-long video, and you can see that we introduced the speakers, so I'm asking the questions and Eva's responding, and we also do things like have a cue in here, a sound effect that describes how she's reacting. She giggles at one point, and so I've included that in the transcript as well. Those are called sound effects or cues. Next thing you need to do is go into your account and find the video that you need to transcribe, or to caption, and click on the edit button. And you'll see in here that you can put in information about the video itself, the title of the video, a description of the video, and information about where the video was recorded if you want that sort of thing. Up in here there's a link for captions and subtitles. Okay, what's your name? And this will allow you to upload the subtitle. Well, you can't just upload some dialogue. You need to have that dialogue be timed so that the captions know when to appear on the screen. And there are many ways of doing that, but one of the easiest ways is to use a service called Easy YouTube Caption Creator, made by some people at Accessify. And what it allows you to do is paste in the URL of the video, play it back, paste in your transcription, and add timing marks to each line, each chunk of your transcript. And so I'm going to walk you through that process. First thing you need to do is get the URL of your video, and just copy it to the clipboard and then paste it into the YouTube creator here, YouTube Caption Creator. And the next step, you take your transcript, copy and paste it into this window, and this will split all of the captions into separate lines, all the transcript into separate lines, and you end up on this page here. This page has each line of the caption in a little pane that you can scroll through down here, and then it has a start-stop timer and the video. So the process is you start the video and you start the stop-start timer, and each time you get one of these lines of text in your video, you tap the A key, and when you tap the A key, it sets a time for that particular transcript. So I'm going to go through this. It's about a minute long, and add timings for this video. So I'll go ahead and start the video. This timer. And there's the first one. What grade are you in? First grade. And what's your dog's name? What kind of dog is he? Where does he sleep? He sleeps in your bed? Yeah. Does he take up all the room? Yeah. So what city are you in? Columbus. And how old are you? Okay, so when it gets to the end, at the last transcript, it just stops. You'll see that you'll get this output that looks like this right here. And basically it has a time in hours, minutes, seconds, and hundredths of a second here, and the line of transcript below it for every line in your transcript. You can just copy that and paste it into a document. So here I have that. Now, this is basically ready to be uploaded to YouTube, but and associated with your file as a caption file. But there's a problem with this particular format, and the problem is if you have lines that you want split in a certain way. So you want, say, 2 lines, and you want them to be broken in a certain way to appear at each moment while the video plays back. You can't just do this. You can't just break the line and have it like that. What will happen is YouTube will automatically just join those lines together, and so the line breaks within each pop-on caption are unpredictable. Now there's an alternate format. This format is called subviewer format. There's an alternate format called subrip that's very similar. It has a start and a stop time, and then it gives you the line number, the caption number above. So it's just, hours, minutes, seconds, hundredths of a second, and then a little arrow, dash, dash, greater than, and then hour, minute, seconds. That's the stop for each line in the transcript. But it allows you to break the lines so that you have control over how they break. It's very easy to get from the substandard subviewer format to the subrip format. Basically what I did here is I just went through the entire transcript and took this, copied the start time from this one and the end time from this one, put them on the same line with the arrow in between it, changed the dot here to a comma, because subrip uses commas to separate off the seconds and hundredths of a second, and then I put a line number up above it, and then I saved it. Okay, so this is the SRT format, and this is probably a preferred format, but right now the Accessify online wizard for creating the captions timings only produces subviewer output, so you have to create the subrip manually, but it doesn't take very long. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my YouTube account, and I'm going to go ahead and browse for that caption file. And so it's saved on my desktop as EVA SRT. I open it. I have to select a language. It's English. You can give it a name if you want to. YouTube will allow you to associate multiple caption files with a single video, so you can have a video translated into different languages if you want. Captions run in different languages. And then I'll click upload. A second, and the video starts to play again, and I'll reload the page so you actually see the video with the caption. And there's the caption appearing on it. And that's pretty much the entire process. Then you can embed this file anywhere you want, or it appears on YouTube with the options to have the caption showing. And that's the process. Thanks.